Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Mara, clinical pharmacist, and you are watching your health partner. Today we will discuss about the airbags and the conditions relevant to airbags states. Normally, airbags lubricates the air canal and its protective function and indicates while it also indicates the state of our health. So let's move towards our video and know about the various conditions and various symptoms which we say and what that the meaning. First one, that normally it lubricate the and prevents the air from itching and pollutants from entering the inner canal, while it also has antibacterial effect. First one is gray color. When you see the wax is in gray color, then it may be due to some problem. It must be due to the pollution or some other condition, dust particles. It means you are living in some highly polluted area, which results in this color. If you say dark gray or scaly skin on the tip, and due to the this is due to the dry and cracking skin inside the air canal and threatening of seborrheic eczema. If you see red color of earwax, this is due to the blood and will lead to the otitis and also affects the hearing or results into the hearing loss. If you see brown color or dark black color in earwax, it will decrease rate of sweating. When you feel uncomfortable or nervous, this may also result to dark brown color of earwax. So this will also indicates as health state. Well, the other condition that is more alarming, when you see a dark black color, full blackish color of earwax. This is due to the fats ingredients. When they interact with oxygen, that substance darkens. It colors darkens. And the last one, the color of airwax is white. When you see the white color, this is due to the recessive gene. Some recessive gene, like it's normal. It don't worry. It's not the time to worry about anything. So it's normal color. Just because of due to some gene that is inherited, that is recessive now. If you see the airwax is smelly or have unpleasant smell coming from your airwax, that it will due to some infection from the middle ear. This is due to the infection, and infection may be bacterial or viral. It also results due to the liquid or water that is trapped into the air channel and by mistake only, and leads to inflammation or bacterial infection. So this is time to worry and seek a medical advice or visit a pharmacist. There is a great chance of your eardrum being perforated. This results in hearing loss and even in created problems for you. So take care. Hope you liked our video. Hit the like button and must subscribe our channel for updated videos. Thank you.